Hey, how's everybody doing? I know it's been a few days since I made a video. Kind of just letting the market do its thing, stay away from the stress, stay away from the anxiety, put my phone down for a few days. I do that once in a while when it starts to get too much, especially when there's a massive correction and really nobody knows what the market's doing. I can't stand to sit there and watch myself lose money just like you guys can. So in those situations, I put my stuff into something secure. I traded some of my crypto into a USD coin, a stable coin, that just stays at $1, just until things started to even out a little bit. And I seen which way the market was going. I'm going to go over some stocks with you guys today that I'm invested in, that when I take my profits from crypto or any extra money that I get, these are long-term investments for me. These aren't things that I day trade. These aren't things that I sell. I just buy more when I can, so we'll go over that. On the screen here, I got this is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is making a little bit of a comeback. The price is starting to go up, which is good. I'm still very much in the green with Dogecoin, but just like everybody else, I want more money. So if you look here at the daily, let's go this over some candlesticks. We're having a hard time today staying above the 200-day moving average, right? This orange line. So we did okay this morning. That's when we got we're still living off the hype of the Coinbase addition. We got some support at the 200, which is good. Bitcoin can't seem to get above that 200-day moving average. So this is just, it's the media again, right? This is what we talk about, where you buy the rumor, sell the news. So this Coinbase Pro is allowing Dogecoin to buy it, and that usually means about 10 days after that, then it'll go on regular Coinbase. And then after that, expect a correction. I mean, unless some other news comes out that we don't see, or Robinhood opens up their wallets, but that'll probably be spaced out a little bit. This is all marketing stuff, so they don't want to run off somebody else's hype and then lose their profits. So that's my forecast on it. Dogecoin is going to do this. It's going to level out for a few days. Then the news is going to come that it's going to be allowed on Coinbase. A lot of retailers are going to, people like us, corporate investors, are going to jump on the bandwagon. They're going to watch their money go up. They're going to pull their profits, correction, balance out, and then we'll see what happens from there. Hopefully there'll be some more mass adoption. Hopefully Bitcoin will come back, drive the market forward. Personally, I think that just with the way the altcoins are going, I think we're out of altcoin season where everything's going to be driven by what Bitcoin does. So, just like everybody else, I'm just sitting. I did buy back got away from the USDC, bought back into some other coins, thinking that the market's going up. A lot of my profits are still pulled and sitting in a separate account. I'll be closing on that property here about next week, and then I'm going to actually start showing you guys what I'm doing with the property to keep my interest down and the process with that. Because at the end of the day here, I am really trying to get into real estate, right? So start small, keep it simple, get out there, do some work. So Coinbase, here is everything that I'm either own or am watching. I use Coinbase to keep track of what Shiba Inu's doing, which is that's still on the market. To me, that's a shit coin. Bitcoin I don't own any of. Raven coin is what I mine. I make about 75 Raven coin a month, maybe now up to 100, because maybe about 100 a month now, because people don't seem to be mining as much because the market took a dump and everybody's scared and everybody's getting out of it and the profits aren't there. But I'm just playing around with that. I run those off my computer on a site called Easy Miner. So both of my computers are just generating Raven coin 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I check on them. It makes Raven coin. It pumps it into a separate account. So Ethereum 2 is coming back strong. um, up to 2,700. It was down below 2,000 last week. Uh, I got that. I'm staking Ethereum too. I took all my Ethereum, staked it into Ethereum too, and I think I made $150 interest already so far on what I've staked, and that's locked in for 2 years. So as the price goes up, I'll gain more interest, and then that's just, you know, income coming in that I will cash out when Ethereum 2 launches. Cardano is doing pretty good. It's down a little bit right now from yesterday. It had some spikes and some dips throughout the day, but I still believe in that. They got some smart contracts coming out, which is going to be good. And then the Ethiopia deal in Africa, where they're going to be using Cardano's platform to organize their financial structure and that kind of thing. XRP, I haven't heard anything about the lawsuit, but it seems to be doing okay. I bought XRP at 25 cents a share, so I don't see it going back down to that. So I'm just sitting on it. Polygon, a friend of mine hit me off to that. I hear a lot of good things. That's up. Everything is up right now except Cardano, but that'll be back up probably before this video's over. Yeah, and then Dogecoin. So I'm going to go into the stocks that I own, right? Because that's my long-term investment. You know, I will sell all my cryptocurrency tomorrow with no emotional attachment whatsoever. When it stops making me money, I'm out the game. That's just the bottom line. So this is what I own as far as stocks go, and all of these stocks were bought from profits off of cryptocurrency. So I own 10 Apple stocks. Just because of what the innovations that they're coming out with, and the cars that they're coming out with, and the negotiations with major car companies, and I think that they're going to give Tesla a run for their money once they come out with a car. Apple does do everything better. The Best Buy company, Best Buy and Pfizer, and I believe Altria Group Incorporated. I'm not sure about that. I'm pretty sure. Those 3 stocks pay me dividends, right? So it's basically like interest. So the longer I hold that, the more interest they pay me. So it's like I get paid if the price goes up, and they kick back a percentage. It's a small percentage, but over the long term, it's going to generate me more income. This is more like my retirement fund. I mean, you can see I own about $8,300 worth of stocks. I mean, $75 today. I'm up $150 total, and the market is down right now. It's steady, but it's down. So that's what I sit on. Enphase, you know, that's a major energy company. I actually personally install their equipment. I believe in the product. They're coming out with some good things. They're going to give Tesla a run for their money on the solar side. So these are stocks that I've done some research on, I believe in, that I think are going to go for the long haul. I don't invest in, I'm not day trading stocks. I'm not shorting them, longing them, or anything like that. I don't do enough research on stocks to do that, and I can't just sit around and watch the market all day. I'm not at that point yet. So yeah, that's about where we're at. I got Apple, then I got AppLovin Corp.com. I bought that by accident, but I just won't sell it. I bought that thinking it was Apple, and that's what happens when you don't pay attention to what you're doing, is you spend money on stuff you didn't really mean to spend money on. Best Buy, Enphase, Altria, they pay dividends. Pfizer, dividends, and Tesla. Tesla, man, they just always got some crazy stuff going on. I work for them. Elon Musk, you guys can say whatever you want about him, but between the job and what he did with Dogecoin in the crypto market, that man personally is responsible for changing my life for the better so far. So I'm going to invest back in what helped me. So that's about where we're at with this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to get back into it here. That's Dogecoin Live. Let's see where we're at with Bitcoin. So yeah, see all these lines in here, all this craziness, and Bitcoin dropped below the 200-day moving average, and these lines, so it's probably going to be on a little bit of a downtrend until it kicks back up here. So we just got to watch this over the next few days, and then the market will play accordingly. And Bitcoin's up 1,400 for the day, which is 4%. All right, that's for 20. Well, since midnight. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think, and just keep it simple, man. Don't get yourself stressed out. Don't put too much money into this where you're gonna lose everything. If all my accounts went to zero right now, I would still be okay. I wouldn't be happy. I would be very depressed. But either way, I don't see that happen. So enjoy your day, and I'll talk to you guys later.